Hello, Stephen Paul with Fritzy Brothers. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lobster and a scorpion. A lobster uses 3 balloons, 2 reds and a nice thin black balloon. For the scorpion, two dark brown balloons. Starting with the first red balloon for the lobster, blow it about halfway, leaving a good 5 inches. Burp the balloon. We'll be starting with an ear twist, they call it. You're going to push the part that was blown up and tied, grab onto it, soften it up a little bit as you're twisting it. Twist it about 8-9 times. Take that and twist it in half. It'll look like lips. Then you are going to make 7-inch long balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist it about 5 or 6 times. 5, 6, 7. And that 7th one, you're going to connect to the first one, so you'll have 6 of them. Just like that. Then you'll take this part here, pull it back, and twist so that you just made can get pushed into those legs. Sometimes they come unwound. Just go ahead and twist them back. Then you're going to take this part right here, bring it over, and there you will have the first part of the lobster. Just like that. It's the body of the lobster. And now for the arms. A little less you're going to blow into that balloon. Burp it. About a 2-inch ball, another 2-inch ball, and take that, twist it around, and pull it through so it'll lock it. That'll be the first claw. And there is the forearm. And then an ear twist, which is probably just about 1 inch. And go ahead and take that and twist that into itself. And you'll want to do the same thing backwards, leaving about 4 or 5 inches. Pick up 4 or 5 inches. Go ahead and make an ear twist. Go ahead and do a forearm and then the claw. And take that last part there, pull it through to lock it, and then take that half, and that will be the claws for the lobster. Push it into the head there. There you have your lobster. And then the black balloon, just blow enough air into it that it just is like a noodle. Get to the half point of it and twist that right around the top of those eyes and pull it through right into the middle. And there you have your lobster. What I like to do You don't really have to do anything else, especially if you're in a hurry, you've got a long line. But it's kind of neat to go ahead and put a couple eyes on them. And then go ahead and create the lobster tail. And even the back, you can go ahead and there you have your lobster. For the scorpion, you'll take your first brown balloon, blow it about halfway, burp the balloon. Go ahead and take the nozzle, push it through, grab onto it, the inside of the balloon, twist it about 8, 9, 10 times, and then twist that one in half. And there's your eyes. And then you're going to do the same thing you did with the lobster. Make 7 1-inch balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And right where you twist that last 7th one, you're going to go ahead and bring it to the neck. Twist that. So you'll have 6 for the legs. Go ahead and match this part with the legs to the center. Push that in there and twist it. And instead of making the tail for the lobster, what you're going to do is go ahead and bend it and form it. Go ahead and bend it and just press it into place. And that will be your scorpion tail. And then do just the same thing that you did with the lobster for the arms and the claws. Same thing as we did with that. Go ahead and take those claws and the arms and attach it to the neck. And there you have the scorpion. Careful! Hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to Fritzy Brothers.